Welcome to Everyday English. This is your teacher Anne, your English teacher. Our topic for today is about subject and verb agreement. Don't forget that the verb must always agree with its subject in number. A singular subject requires a singular verb, which is usually ending with S, while a plural subject requires a plural verb. Let us have rule number 1. Nouns that are plural in form but singular in meaning require singular verb. Examples of these nouns are mumps, measles, news, molasses, physics, mathematics, statistics, and economics. Examples: news spreads rapidly. Mathematics is my favorite subject. Rule number 2. Nouns that are plural in form and meaning, such as trousers, scissors, goods, ashes, pliers, proceeds, and pants require plural verbs. Example: proceeds of the party were greater than they had expected. Rule number 3. A collective noun taken as a unit requires a singular verb. If taken individually, it requires a plural verb. Examples are jury, orchestra, band, audience, faculty, flock, school, committee, etc. Examples: the orchestra plays magnificently. The subject orchestra is taken as a unit. Members of the orchestra are tuning their instrument. The subject orchestra is taken individually, meaning each of the members plays their instrument. Rule number 4. Compound subjects joined by "and" require plural verbs. If they pertain to one person or idea, or generally considered as a unit, a singular verb is needed. Examples: Asia, North America, and Europe are parts of the Northern Hemisphere. Its purpose and aim is to shed light on the issue at hand. Rule number 5. Two or more singular subjects joined by or, nor, either or, and neither nor require singular verbs. A plural verb is required if the subject joined are plural. Examples: neither Neil Armstrong nor Edwin Aldrin was considered the first man in space. Either stalactites or stalagmites form inside limestone cave. Rule number 6. If singular and plural subjects are joined by or, either or, and neither nor, the verb agrees with the subject nearest to it. Example: uranium or other chemical elements contain atoms. Take note that the plural form of the verb contain agrees with the plural subject elements, which is the subject nearest to the verb. Rule number 7. Parenthetical expressions or intervening words do not affect the verb. If the subject is singular, the verb must be singular. If the subject is plural, the verb must be plural. These expressions include with, along with, together with, as well as, in addition to, including, and accompanied by. Examples: The delightful climate, as well as the exotic places and wildlife in Bali, accounts for its extensive tourist industry. The subject is climate, singular, which agrees with its verb accounts, singular. Don't be confused with the intervening phrase, as well as the exotic places and wildlife in Bali. Rule number 8. Subjects referring to measurement, amount of money, or distance are considered singular and therefore require singular verbs. Example, $100,000 is needed for his operation. Rule number 9. The phrase, a number requires a plural verb unless it pertains to an arithmetical number, while the number means singular and requires a singular verb. Examples, the number of enrollees is increasing every year. A number of suggestions were taken by the speaker wholeheartedly. Rule number 10. A noun introduced by a fraction or percentage may take either a singular or plural verb depending on the of the phrase. Examples, 1/2 of the entries were submitted to the academic board. 1/2 of the entry was revised by the committee. Rule number 11. A title of the book, song, and poem takes a singular verb. Example, The Adventures of Tom Sawyer provides many lessons about determination, patience, and courage. Rule number 12. When positive and negative subjects are used, the verb agrees with the affirmative subject. Example, diamonds, not gold, are mostly mined in Africa. Rule number 13. Singular indefinite pronouns such as everyone, everybody, anyone, each, one, either, neither, someone, somebody, nobody, and no one require a singular form of verb. Examples, each gets a trophy for playing. Everybody enjoys a good book. Something is very wrong here. Rule number 14. Plural indefinite pronouns such as both, few, several, and many require a plural form of verb. Examples, both are qualified for the job. Several are already on location. Few know what it really takes to get ahead. Many went to the beach and got sunburned. This is now the end of our lesson. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed and learned something. Goodbye!